at my lipstick, can smell all.
Stop now! Show. You're up too much.
I don't like lipstick, you held early.
Hi guys! Alright.
Oh, wait, you come up with
No water?
I don't know when people take it and that's down in
Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, me and mom are gonna do a little then versus now makeup. So how her makeup used to be then versus how makeup is now with me, obviously. So,
makeup is done now in a fear era. Let's say that how we used to do makeup back then in my era coming up.
yeah, versus
I
how
have
it's
the era
done
before
now.
me, you know.
Yeah, true.
Like my mother should have just more of her powder. Nah, rouge. I don't know if I rouge, whatever.
Okay, so
but
your
as,
time versus my time. I'll say.
Come so no have all kind of fun
And to preference, not everybody right now does makeup like how I do my makeup. Everybody have them own way to do them some. So some people we have even half of the things them and me have.
Yeah, cause me I notice some of my makeup nowadays them take for hours. Yeah.
But I'm not doing the one that takes like a lot. I'm not doing that. It's just that this is something big. So we're gonna show you guys our bags, like what we have, like our makeup bags. So
I don't even know say I have makeup bag.
Yeah, I mean definitely.
But I think I need that upgrade. Comment. I don't think I need that upgrade. I don't really want a makeup bag and my age I look alike. You understand? But me think
the color need to change. The color now.
So how many come by this?
I don't know why you bought that.
I don't even think this was even a makeup bag. This say beauty and run your son a tan good like a some little cheap, and this one say handsome. I'm not a man. I don't know.
I don't even know why
I'm not sure where I get this.
Anyways,
I need
this
to
is
get
my
makeup bag.
this isn't my official makeup bag. I just found this bag to put some local stuff in there in the meantime. My official makeup bag, I didn't get to have it with me or carry it over with me, so that just kind of out of the way, so I have to find a whole new makeup bag.
You have to change like ASAP.
Yeah. So I have to find a whole new makeup bag literally. So this isn't my official one. Oh, and we have wipes, obviously. Wipes is universal. Everybody clean off the makeup
back in
with wipes.
When I wipes.
One you used to use.
Me no know.
That's
We just
not
wash your
makeup.
face. Me no more. Back in a few days we just wash your face and dry your face.
Oh, you just use? No, we still.
We just clean with face with water.
We still clean our faces with stuff. Outside of wipes, some people use like makeup cleansing balms as well too. But that I know. But as we said, we have wipes, clean off when we're done. Yeah, right. So carry that over here. So. Okay, so first thing, what do you use first on your face?
I always cleanse my face first.
After cleansing your face, that's the first.
After cleansing, not the base or the powder sitting, and that's what I used to.
You know, moisturize.
Oh yeah, I put like a moisturizer. I don't remember.
Me ask you after you wash your face. After you wash your face,
what was our moisturizer? Maybe some Nadinola or sitting. I never use Ambi. Nadinola is a little. It's a bleaching cream.
I was about to say, is it Nadinola bleaching cream?
No, we never. Mama said you have the Nadinola black. And you have the Nadinola
you remember
pink.
You have Nadinola black as if me didn't.
Me know you never know, but the Nadinola. And we used to have Pond's.
Yes, Pond's is still being used. Pond's
so yes, so we used to use Pond's.
Yeah, Pond's face cream and
yeah, we used to use Pond's.
Okay,
we used to use Pond's.
So mommy have her moisturizer she put on first. My face already.
That's my moisturizer.
It's Olay. Mommy have her Olay face.
Yeah.
I already put moisturizer on my face from today, so I don't need any more because I would.
Well, me never moisturize.
With my eczema, I can't put on too much on my face because it will break out. So.
Okie dokie.
So I look on the
we never have
cleansing wipes.
So we never clean off my face first.
Your face never washed yet?
I have to clean off my face. Face washing and face cleaning are two different something called. Me have to clean my face. I never clean my face yet. So I clean my face. Yeah, go on. I'm buying makeup things, you know, girl. Take out one. Yeah, all of my wipes are check so.
I won't think that.
Me have to clean. Yeah, you see it? Dirty. Yeah, go on like your things say. Me a wash you around here. Me used to look up myself, you know. And a girl used to come.
No, but you may think you wash your face already, so was that?
No, I couldn't wash my face cold because I just come off of the road and it's hot. I don't want to catch a cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. So mommy will clean her face and then she's gonna put on her moisturizer. I already have done those things. So I'm going to go in first with my thing, which is makeup primer.
I don't know nothing about that because we never have that in our.
What do you think it's for? I'm just ask.
Primer. Like how you prime wall for paint. For making makeup take it more. If
good, yes. I was waiting for you to give me that answer.
Aye, I'm gonna tell you something. I never abandoned my mother gonna market in a
No, but I'm gonna wait for you to tell me as in like what you think
it's
used
a face you go on bad in a life.
So the primer I'm using is a more hydrating one rather than
face I did really go along bad with the dust.
Rather than a matte primer.
I'm gonna make up put on the moisturizer.
Put on your moisturizer.
How this did there? Back in the days that's how we used to do.
Yeah, so put on moisturizer.
Me I tell you so me I go on like
moisturizer not change. How you put on moisturizer, how you put on moisturizer. I'm gonna think that different for anybody. Alright, so mommy I gonna put on.
I want to go on now with my brush there.
So it's the first thing you have.
And me I do what me have to do, you know.
I love you have to tell them what you do after.
Yeah, me I fix up my eyebrow. I'm fixing up my eyebrow.
You're telling them
so
what
I'm
you're
sort of
doing.
straightening up my eyebrows. You see they're out of out of touch. Yeah, me I go and give my eyebrow. But
so you're doing eyebrows first?
Yeah,
I do that first too.
Yeah, because you have to straighten up your eyebrow then.
So mom is just using a regular little eyebrow brush. Let me show them. Mom just use a
Mama use everything regular. Mom
just regular. Everybody that one little
Hope
eyebrow
is using all the item. We never have them a kind of eyebrow brush back in our days. We use like a tail comb.
Tail comb. Okay, so I have literally the same thing. The only difference is the other side of this. There is like eyebrow pencil you can fill in your brows if they look a little bit spaced out. You know, some people have like thin eyebrows and them not a way for fill it in. So you use an eyebrow pencil.
Shape my own eyebrow.
People shape them eyebrows still.
Yeah, I shape up mine. Shape.
But there's like different ways of doing it, you know. The same way you do it is the same way I do it too.
Yeah.
I just brush it.
So that is my bag. Who take it up? Yeah, it's empty.
This right now.
So what's that?
This is just like okay, so like eyebrow pencil. So
yeah,
example,
if I have my little eyebrow pencil, I could have touch it up to like some
can
gray.
Use that.
Like if some gray, but I'm gray.
Some people use eyeliner the same way. You just take your time and kind of fill it in.
Yeah, man, me not so full in a cover. I just remember so we used to do it. Too.
Yeah.
And sometimes them shave off their eyebrow and shave it thin
and just use a pencil.
The pencil and just retrace it.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, me not so full in a cover, blood, God. Yeah, me not look nobody so me good with that. Me good. Me don't want nobody see me. Right. By the time them see me, me can.
Alright, so mommy fill in her brows and mommy brush it up. I literally did the same. Only difference is I use a 2-in-1 something. So what do you put on next after you do it?
No, must my face base.
So you call it face base. It's called how we call it
foundation. Yeah, we call it face base back then.
Oh wait, and mommy put it on. Them when you used to put it on
with a little round.
A little round powder puff. We call it powder puff. But I don't know what you used to call it.
We never call it a powder puff. We call it a little puff. But our one them when you get the good round one them back then round. Yeah. Them look more professional than this.
They came in a compact. Yeah. I wonder if one of them in this. This?
No, so for everyone never careless looking, so no.
Oh, I never saw it come. And this coming at this a while ago.
No, we add that, we add the look and it make out a fabric on the top.
Oh,
like, yeah.
Like just like this?
No. Look more official than this.
But this
and we never have the dark color. We didn't have like more color like the color of the base. Face base.
Okay.
And it was it was lasting. It's something that you could wash if you want. It was very strong and looked very well.
Okay.
Now look careless like them, yeah.
And them little powder puff, you have no ideas. I guess you have different types of powder puff if you want. So I'm gonna use my foundation. This is a foundation. Oh, you put on face base before foundation?
Look here. When we are put on face base, we put on face base, and when we are put, so look here. We wanna call this foundation?
No, that's called just press powder.
Press powder. This are the foundation.
Exactly. So I'm asking you.
How they do? Is it that this?
Is it that or that?
Or that. So pick your choice. So like if depends on the weather. You know, say if the weather is like so hot, we would have used the powder. And if the weather cool, we would have used this. Cause you know, say the tropics, this will run in a worse if you not get the good one. You know that. So like how me in the coolness here now.
Or you just want to work with your powder? I
want to work with my powder because I know that's something I go, you know.
Use the
powder. For me share this?
Yes, it is.
How are you open, ma?
No, other side.
LPM.
Right, that side, yeah.
But me, I prefer the foundation, the liquid foundation. Though, you know.
Same. I don't like cream foundations. Yeah. Or I don't like cream or powder foundations, you know, with really my skin tone. So I'm using a liquid foundation and I am putting it on with a brush. You can, some people use the beauty sponge them for put it on. Them look a beauty blender sponge here. Some people use that.
I don't know about them look sitting where you do that. No, I don't know about that one there. Can't do. I take my time to see because I know when I done my favor please post. Because first time back in the days, you know, some of the women them did that go on too much with the powder, you know.
No, I think the reason for that, some of them used to put it on so much where like
they put on too much.
The color of it looks so much different from them actual.
And then some of them never have them shade, them don't know them shade.
So what I do now with the foundation,
the foundation is nice though, you know.
Yeah, the foundation is nice. The little excess on the brush.
I put on foundation.
The little excess on the brush, me just carry it down for my neck. You don't need too much for your neck.
Yeah, I don't need too much. I just have to something make my neck look cute. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl.
You sure you're not used too much?
I'm not used too much.
Turn up, me see.
See me there, see me there, see me there. Okay. Me I use too much, come in. You know, so I feel like I want one pair of NCs to put in.
Next thing that I use, I don't know if I used to use it, concealer. You used to use concealer?
Well, my food, don't darling, I don't know nothing about them.
So concealer.
When me a young girl and the whole we used to work all about and something, I never know about no concealer, I don't remember that.
So concealer, you use it to like what it literally does, it's conceal. You put it on like...
It holds the makeup.
No, you
conceal it, hide it.
Yes, so like if you have like any blemishes or any little marks or something like that, you put it on it. Also use to brighten like your highlighted points here. Underneath your eye.
Okay.
Right
so
here, so for your
forehead. We look what I know.
No, what eye we are doing.
What will I look both?
Where you are look both?
When me ready for go to my eye, you know, mama.
Well, you are put on your eyeliner?
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead. We just go as we go along.
Feel like I'm ready to put on my eyeliner.
Okay, so I'm gonna put on my concealer.
I want to go on for the eyeliner. It look like it no good, Lord, in my eye.
Babes, nobody know make eyeliner so deep and dark no more.
But me can't. No, me want the one with deep, darling. I want an hour good.
It's working. Take your time. Mom just put on her eyeliner right here. Eyeliner just put on.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mommy just put on her eyeliner. I'm blending out my concealer with a brush. As I said, mix two of them. So I mix a lighter one and a darker one. I put it underneath the eyes here, so right inside the chin, top of your forehead. So these are the points like when the sun touch you or anything like that. These are your highlighted areas where you. She's gonna put on eyeshadow. I don't really want any eyeshadow today. But everybody use eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is
eyeshadow. We have to use eyeshadow. I go on in a few days. Which one I put on the little eye? Show me now. Which one?
See, these are no, all of them, any of them except for this. You know,
some can use this.
You know, use this.
Yeah.
You know, use that.
Alright.
You have these. These are all eyeshadow.
Some have some eyeshadow. Yeah, I got one with my thing. Good, me I got do my sitting. I got do my thing. What I have on? Yeah, I have on this. Yeah, good. So you put your hand and hold on your eye too. Eh?
No, I just lock my eye.
I put on my eye. My eye.
I just lock my eye down.
My eye weak. I have to use my index finger hold it down.
Oh, so you don't put anything over first to like hold the eyeshadow?
No, darling, I don't know nothing about that.
Just like how you have primer for your face, you have eyeshadow primer, or you can use the concealer.
All they do, we just look at this. You see what we are doing? I get some over right here, so some me do it back then. You see?
That's the colors you use.
Yeah, no, we have different color. Me I use them now, you know.
Okay.
I must say we have a look of color, you know, goodie.
So wait, you put the one on your lid first before you put the one on your crease?
You put the one underneath your so. I don't know, I don't remember. Goodie, give me a break.
Okay.
Yeah, the one that will come underneath where I want to look bright.
Underneath, I mean underneath your eyebrow?
I don't know. Yeah, me all remember which one.
You put the lighter one for your. Okay.
Yeah, you know me put
okay, I'm not doing any eyeshadow. I'm not doing any eyeshadow as mom is. I don't necessarily feel like I need it right now.
Some serious.
That's not like That's what I asked for the right thing. Yeah, I do come in and think that you're supposed to do.
That me I do. Because
I think it is supposed to be this darker one we have right just up on the top.
No, oh, it's gonna be down there, so we want the brighter one up there, so stop now.
You want, you know what? Anyways, okay. I'm going to. Oh God.
You just make the thing now.
I'm doing contour. You don't have to.
Brownness and now going good. Yeah, clean it up.
Yeah, the fire one.
Of course, kind of for my face. I don't want nobody in my face touch up on my face, you know. Yeah, I know when it not do good. When it's so gone wrong.
That's what I'm saying. This side is okay. That isn't looking right. So see your wipes there.
Then that me look
exactly. Okay, I'm gonna use contour.
Me not so fool, you know.
I think you should just wipe off the whole part. Right?
Me not wipe off no whole part. Me just fix up myself.
So if you make a mistake and it's really bad, you don't just wipe off the whole thing and start over?
Probably. Them thing they never so powdery, you know, the eye something them. Them never so powdery, you know, them the kind of more waxy like.
Oh, they are more creamier.
Yeah. Okay. Me will leave. What me blush?
No. Alright, so I did contour, which is basically just like, yeah, frame your face in a way. So you'd have put the dark. Okay. It's like, yeah, color contrast. So lighter then darker and
we never did know so that.
Yeah.
So that when we put on we look a blush. A contour with a contour we cheat then?
No, that's just blush. Contour is completely different from blush.
We can fix it up.
Okay.
By the time then we see
that rain?
Yeah.
That's thunder. Anyways.
That's
okay. So I'm going to do blush as well now. I go in with blush as well. But I'm using 2 blushes. I use cream and then powder. Sometimes I just do powder.
Because the thing now, when you get hold of some part, once everybody know work good enough, you know.
So I'm using a cream one first. Woo! And then I go over with a powdered one.
Powder?
A powder blush. I use a cream blush.
A cream blush too?
Yes,
what it look like?
Here it is. So I was just using.
Oh,
so it's like how you have your cream waxy eyeshadow? Cream blush.
You
also have liquid blush.
I don't remember that cream blush there.
No, I don't think you guys had cream blush in your time. I don't know. You also have liquid blush as well, which is basically just like the same foundation.
Like a lipstick ones.
Okay.
My lipstick can smell old.
Stop now! Show. You're up so much.
I don't like lipstick can elderly fuck. No man! Why me ever have this elderly lipstick? That's smell old. No sir. As when we get older, I saw the can't take liberty with me. Can you be say, oh mom, this is your lipstick.
No, but it's literally yours because I've had it in there and I was like, isn't this mommy lipstick?
So when was this lipstick? When was this bought?
You put eyeliner and you put liner on your lips?
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
No man, this makeup put a little bit of a
So I was saying put on some lip gloss, it helps. Me and mom are sharing the same blush because she doesn't have like a proper blush because she never really wears that much like that.
Me I got start wear them now, you know. Cause me feel like me find me age paper since my birthday.
Okay.
I'm not sure but the liner you where you have. It is so pale.
Because we don't use like that deep of a color anymore.
Up at the top lip, yeah.
Up at the top.
Remember me have thin lips, you know, darling. I love
your lip. Oh yeah, true.
I did too. Yeah. Dad fall in love with my thin lips. That's what happened.
Sorry, no.
Yeah, me have to tell you.
My bad. Okay. I did blush.
I go things me there, so me want more good to no fly no come in my mouth.
After blush, I do mascara. Mommy says they used to do mascara back in her
time. I don't like the mascara.
Really good at it.
I'm not good at it, so I'm not bad. I think I done enough. I put in my earring. I make the people them just do the damn thing.
Just feel it in. Just literally with the eyeshadow. It looks.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, good.
It looks the same thing as my.
Goodie ready. Goodie ready. Hey, I love it. Goodie ready, goodie ready, goodie ready, goodie ready. Yeah, me wait for she. You know, comment below. Remember, don't have no ear spoil, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Use the blush already. Okay.
Yeah.
Powder. No, we use the powder.
Fidua.
Just set underneath your eyes.
No. All right. And you do your thing and me I do my thing. My make my one get stale.
Wait, where's my something there?
So I tell you, we didn't do this. We didn't do this. Just like I said, and then we'd have probably like some people that have like
as I said,
colored eyeshadow. They had a bright blue and bright pink. I didn't like those colors. Yeah.
As I said, this isn't my actual makeup.
Yeah, go there, right there. I love it. I said it. We'll do it again, and the time we're gonna have an hairstyle. Do not tell me, oh my God, on this young girl. All versus young makeup putting down. When she said she not put on for me, she not help me, not call girl.
But we don't even put on your makeup. Well,
yeah, but me not jar.
Well, no,
Me
not
jar,
in this case.
comment.
Unless you ask me, like, if you want me to do it
But if you
professionally.
say, tell the truth, you say your mother.
Unless you want me to do it professionally.
Me not gonna do professionally. Tell the truth. I want that. That's a set it. So me no want set. Me done set already. Tell the truth.
You know why using setting spray? For bring back moisture in your face.
Alright,
then when you just use the powder them, your face still look dry.
So my face look dry now?
That's it. Your
Sorry,
face
where the
looks
setting?
dry.
Give me the setting. Let
You
me
want to
apply
use it? You
setting.
can use it.
Let me see setting. How are you the only
Hold
one?
it far away from you.
Lord, look at
Close your eyes. Close your eyes in your mouth. Good. That's fine.
Big lad, you tell me fill up me mouth.
You would see it's chemicals, obviously.
Why? No, sir. It look like when full. Oh yes, it does a little.
Thank you.
It has a little. It has a little moisture.
Now I'm going to do lips.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you what I do for lips. Have I used them?
So what else you gonna do for lip? And put on lipstick and put on lip liner. What more is there to do for lip? That is that's your one.
Yeah.
It is brighter, but I'm good with this.
Okay.
I wanted one that dark, but I think this is good.
I think because my lips are a little bit I feel use something because my top lip is a little bit darker than my bottom lip.
What is that now? What that?
It's just like a liquid. It's another lip product. It's not
What
necessarily
does
a
it
lipstick.
do? Me don't
It's
got
just
you.
like
Me don't
gloss.
got you for your lip. I have my own lip. Come. Oh, what that?
That's another lipstick.
No, we never do them all passing there. Whatever them all passing there. We had these type of lipstick though that you would use. Like this one where you just take up. Where there? We had this
one?
Yeah. Them time when people say with this, you know, say yeah, go on with makeup because these like these types are very they were expensive.
Still are, yes.
Yeah.
So. You see the difference with you guys? You see, it makes like a nice contrast in the middle.
Let me see your mouth.
See the difference?
Me for my lip, alright, for my lip good. And my
Yeah,
lip,
everybody different. So that's the difference with our makeup.
Back then makeup.
Back then versus
Yeah,
now. As I
so-
said, this is my actual face routine. I'm just
Everybody
putting
know
something
that.
together.
This is just a little simple thing, and the simple thing lasts out to be how much there. But back then, this is how we would put ourselves together. And a little more too. Well, a little more mean, like with brighter colors. And all them sitting there, go extra with the eyeliner. And the lip liner, and take all the sitting gone out. I didn't like that. And they would use mascara. I'm not a mascara person. So,
I know I have mascara here, but you say you don't use it.
no, I don't. So this is it. Back then makeup versus now. Tell us what you think. We are in the thunder range. Lot of thunder. Maybe we have forgot. No, we are ending the video now, but maybe we have forgot to turn off electricity because we are in like a real thunder zone. So how do you like the video? Comment below and tell us what do you think. Yeah, I want to say good come out today and tell me how I do. I don't take time with me. Come back to she young and me all. Hope you do enjoy. Thanks for watching all our videos. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for everything. What do you think? Do you want us to do a more upgraded one now that I learned some of them and I like that? And
well, obviously, yeah, your thing would need to be upgraded. Yes, obviously.
to make it upgrade?
No, I'm saying yours would have to be upgraded.
I don't know if I can adjust to the upgrading, but
it's not much of a difference. It's just more
a lot.
product. It's more
with the
products.
the lips, it's a lot.
You don't have to do it like me. I just show me one.
But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for the people that are liking the videos. Remember to start watching our videos from the beginning, okay? Don't just come in on it, and when you don't understand, you make comments that doesn't really fit in because you know watch it all of the video. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. We'll catch you again with another
video.
That sounds so tired.